time of darkness.
Hey, this is a cooking show. Hello, it's me again. And today is a Saturday. Well, not when you watch it, but when I made it. This is Cooking with Ryan 2. We'll be making spaghetti today. But firstly, we need a pot. Like this, bubble, bubble, bubble. So we're gonna get the other ingredients out because you can't have spaghetti by itself. There's the wise words of my mother. You need the pepper. You don't have to use this if you don't have it. Crushed cheese. Use lime for a bit of like vegetable thing color, you know. Ginger for like the good gingery taste. Use turmeric for the yellow good color. We use parsley for more like vegetable taste. We use garlic because yeah. A tiny bit of potato sauce.
Potato?
Yeah, potato.
Tomato!
Oh no, it's tomato sauce. You need spaghetti. If you drop any, even if you drop one little, all its friends will be angry, then they won't cook. They'll just be like this. They're not going to cook. So you just go like that. Look! Uh-oh! I better not do that again. Nothing's going to happen. See? The last pieces. Yummy. Yes, yummy. Dish of food. Dish up. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Give a thumbs up. Press the notification bell to never miss a video.